Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Derismas. I'm so sorry that I missed yesterday. Had to have a mental day, had to have a mental break day, but I am super excited today because I just received these beauties in the mail. This is the brand new Alchemist Multichrome Flakes collection from WENZDAE Cosmetics. These are so beautiful. I am so excited to showcase them for you guys. I'm going to be doing some swatches on a glitter base and also with her mixing medium. And I will show you guys how I use these types of products. These are not products that I use all the time because they are quite messy and not, in my opinion, very beginner friendly. However, if you do them and you do them correctly and you take your time, the outcome and the look is stunning. Before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. Thumbs up the video if you do like it. Share the video out if it helps you in any kind of way or if it's just entertaining to you. My fan is off, so I'm going to try to hurry through this because these lights are incredibly hot, but the flakes will go everywhere. So just as we go, I will kind of point specific things out for you guys. We're going to dive in. So I will first show you what they each look like in their components. This is the shade Elixir. And of course, in a multi-chrome, we are looking for multi-tonal color. We are looking for a blue that's got purple, green, and pink, or whatever the case may be. Where a duochrome is typically just a flash or a switch from one color to the next. This has multi-dimensional shades in it. And we have this one right here. You can see orange, kind of a fiery gold. These are, you guys, these are stunning. This one right here is one of my favorites. So now that you've seen the shades, I do also have my little Eco Tools sponge here, and I have some Tarte micellar water kind of in between doing the swatches for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and dive in. My personal favorite way to use these is using a good old, just regular cheap glitter glue. This is one from NYX, and I will also show you guys with her mixing medium. I will do each shade with the glitter glue and with her mixing medium, and then get up close and hopefully be able to show you guys the shifts that it has in these. So first up, we're going to go into Elixir. I'm going to lay down my NYX glitter glue first. I'm literally just using my finger, and I'm putting just a little bit down. And then I'm going to take the mixing medium, and it comes in just a little dropper. Right here is the glitter glue. I will put some of this right here, and you don't need much at all. And I kind of use my hand as a painter's palette, if you will. So we are going to go in. She does have the little protective cover on these. These do eventually dry out. I'm going to try to get as close as I can without dropping this everywhere. So you can see beautiful shades. There's white, there's an icy blue, there's teal, there's pinks in here. It's stunning. And I have 5 flat type brushes that I'm going to use. You can also use a silicone applicator. Those work really, really well. So my method is I take the tip of the brush, I'm going to come into the container, and I'm going to lift from underneath, almost kind of scooping it out like a scoop of ice cream. So I'm going to press this in to the glitter glue first, and you will have to build it up a little bit on top of that base, but once you do, it is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to press that in. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. And I would do this while the base or the glitter glue is still a little bit tacky, again, and keep your fan off because it will go everywhere. And then I'm going to go back in again, kind of a shoveling motion. And then right here where we have laid our mixing medium down, I will also start to press it into the mixing medium. Now with the mixing medium, you're going to end up with more of a like molten wet consistency of the product. Whereas with like the glitter glue, it's going to be a little bit more sparse. So I will get up close and show you. And I'm just packing it on, and I'm pressing it in. And I think even from there already, you can kind of see the difference between both methods. You can also, with the mixing medium, just mix it in the lid. You're going to end up obviously getting a little bit of a mess on your lid. That doesn't affect me or bother me at all. And then we will get up close. And you can see the base. And I'm going to turn my light down just a little bit for you guys. I'm thinking it may show up a little bit better that way. So you can see here, it's kind of a little bit more sporadic, whereas right here, it's slightly more fold. And either method works. All right, next up is the shade Transmute. I should have actually done this one first. I was trying to go from like lightest to darkest. Again, just be really cautious in opening them because the flakes will go everywhere, and keep the protective cover on them at all times. This one has a lot of, I see white, I see pink, I see green, I see gold. It looks absolutely stunning, you guys. Woo! So again, I'm going to use both methods. I'm going to take a little bit of the glue on one side, mixing medium on the other side. And I think I'm going to use the same brush I used for the other one just because it was a lighter shadow. And again, I'm kind of scooping in like I'm shoveling product. I'm going to go to the glitter glue first before it has time to dry on me and set. And I'm going to press and pat the product. That's why I choose to use a flat brush as well. I'm trying to show you guys, but it's quite difficult to try to show you guys. So I'm scooping it, I'm laying it down, and then I'm pressing and walking the flakes into the glitter glue. So you can see they're sticking quite well. That is incredibly high shine and beautiful. Holy crap. And also by using a flat brush, you're kind of not going to get as much of a mess. You guys, oh my gosh. I hope I can do justice on these because holy crap, they are beautiful. Again, I'm just pressing into the glue. And then this side right here has our mixing medium. Same thing. I'm going to scoop it up like a little shovel. And I don't get a whole lot of product, you guys, just a little tiny bit. And then again, I'm going to lay it flat and press my brush into either the mixing medium or the glue, whichever I'm using. And already you can see the difference in this side. It looks quite opaque. And then on this side, you just see a little bit more of kind of the flakiness, if you will. So I will finish up the side with the mixing medium. I will also note, especially if you are a beginner, I would practice a couple times because these, again, are quite messy. I will also say on somebody like myself, if you do have textured skin, very textured, crepey lids, they're definitely going to crease a little bit and they do show texture. So I'm just going to also note that for you guys. So we will get up close. You can see here, definitely more high shine, definitely a lot more opaque, kind of pushing and pressing it into the mixing medium. And then this side is the glitter glue. So you can see all the different shifts as I move into or away from the light. All right, we are going in next with this shade right here. I think this one's gonna be my favorite. So again, open it very, very slowly. And even just when you first open it, even me talking, it's kind of like fluffing up a little bit. So again, they're quite messy, so be careful. There's gold, there's pink, there's like a deep fuchsia in here. I feel like I'm seeing some green, some orange. Oh, it's so pretty. So same method again. I'm gonna go with my NYX glitter glue. And then again, our mixing medium as well. And again, we're gonna get to the bottom of the pot and we're gonna lift up kind of like a shovel, and you see how much I'm putting on here. Not very much at all. And then I'm going to lightly press and firmly pack and press into each. Oh, oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Definitely up my alley here. Definitely seeing the fuchsia. I see some green, some yellow, some orange. That is stunning. I cannot wait for y'all to see that up close. And I'm using the exact same method, scooping up a little bit onto my hand, pressing it in first, and then I kind of push it out. But as I'm kind of shearing it out, if you will, I'm also pressing it in. That way it becomes opaque for me. Y'all are gonna freak out. This is stunning. So you can see, obviously, with the mixing medium, it is definitely a little bit more opaque, just a little bit more high shine. I feel like you can see the flip a little bit better as well. And then here we have it with the glitter glue. And you could press this in, you could tap it in. Once you kind of get a little layer in there, you can build it up with your finger. So hopefully you can see that, the beautiful shift with the orange and that beautiful fuchsia. And then it has that darker base. Next up, we are going into the shade right here, which is also incredibly beautiful. And I like that she didn't do everything super deep. Not everything has a whole lot of depth to it. I like that there's some lighter ones. There are some more like icy ones. There are some more fiery ones like that last one. So again, and I know I sound like a broken record, but you guys have to be really cautious or you're going to make a mess and it's going to be everywhere and you're going to hate life. You're going to love your look, but you're going to hate life. And again, just be really cautious in taking this off. And you can see already, I mean, just me opening this, you can see glitter kind of going everywhere. I definitely see a beautiful shift of hot pink, fuchsia, orange, gold. Oh, it's so pretty. And we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to speed it up. I'll speed it up on these last two shades. But again, we're going to go in with our NYX glitter glue. Let it set for just a second while we do our mixing medium. And we're going to use our brush and just press everything out. All right, so on this side, I'm gonna have to take a picture of this for sure. Obviously, you will see pictures of all of them. So here's our mixing medium. Obviously, a little bit more, you know, kind of depthy, a little bit more opaque. I feel like you can definitely see the shift a little bit better. And you can see that beautiful base of like that kind of aqua blue shifting into like this beautiful fiery reds and oranges, golds. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so much more beautiful in person. All right, we are going on to the last shade now. I have a ton of purple lovers that I think would probably obsess over this. And of course, I'll have all pricing and everything. This is offered in a bundle with all of the shades and the mixing medium. You can buy them separately. You can buy the mixing medium separately. I just want to get this up close for you guys. You can kind of see that kind of orange to red base. And then you see purple into pink. There's deep royal blue in there. Stunning. Same process again. So we have our mixing medium here, and I'm trying to kind of keep it right here so you guys can see that beautiful kind of deep teal aqua shift that it has to it. A very dark base. You can see the purple going into the pink. There's our blue shift. Oh my god, you guys, this is stunning. And then the side with the glitter glue. Oh my god. Oh!